guys, so today I'm coming to you with a what's in my bag video and also a bit of a bag review on the Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the Damier Ebene pattern, which is essentially the brown checkered pattern. I know before you splurge on a bag like this, you definitely want to know the ins and outs of what the bag is like, see what fits, and that kind of thing. Sometimes it can be a bit nerve-wracking to go into the boutique and ask all kinds of questions. These kinds of videos are just the perfect way for you to get to know a bag and see what fits inside. Personally, before I splurge on a new bag, I watch a ton of these kinds of videos on the specific bag I have my eye on, and this just gives me better insight onto what the bag will be like. So this is the bag. This is the front, side. The back looks exactly the same, and the other side looks the same. So yeah, this is a really good size. The MM size to me was the perfect size and just made the most functional sense for my life. This is actually my everyday work bag. So this is what it looks like inside with everything in it. It's a bit heavy for me to carry right now just because my laptop is literally in there. I'm just gonna take that out for showing you sake. It does fit perfectly back here. So this is the empty Neverfull. I'll just show you what's inside the bag, like how it looks. So this is with nothing in it. There's this pocket at the back. I don't really use it just because I have so many slots in that Samorga insert. That's pretty much all there is to it inside. It's just a cute pink pattern. I absolutely love this bag. It is so cute and functional. The Neverfull actually comes with this pochette, and a lot of people do sell these, and I think I'm going to sell mine soon just because I honestly don't use it. You can use this as a wristlet, and Louis Vuitton actually doesn't sell this separately, so I think that's why it's like a hot item, because they don't really sell anything like super similar to this. I think I'm going to put this on the RealReal or Fashion File sometime soon because I honestly just don't get use out of it. And you can sell it for between $300 and $500, so why not? I'm just going to show you this way because it's easier to show. This is called the Samorga insert. These are so amazing. They have so many different inserts for different bags, different colors. They're actually custom. So I'm going to link below which one I chose to use for this bag. You just type in Neverfull MM and then a bunch of different options will come up, and this is the one I chose with the 3 compartments in the middle. You have the keychain thing here. There's like 2 extra slots here, 2 at the back. They're even on the outside here. So yeah, this is just perfect for me. And then there's just 2 bigger slots here, front and back. This is where I keep my laptop. It's just very heavy for me to show that, but I'll show you how it does fit. It's a little heavy for me to show this, but this is where my laptop goes. I wouldn't necessarily recommend carrying your Neverfull with a laptop around at all times, especially not if you have an older MacBook Pro like mine. I think I have the 2013 right now. They are a little heavier, and I think that would add wear to the handles. I'm sure it would be fine, but obviously you want to keep your bag in as pristine condition as possible. So I'm really just carrying mine from in my house to in my car to in my office, so I don't worry too much about that, but I wouldn't like carry my laptop in my Neverfull around the mall or something like that. So moving on to what is in here. First off, I have my glasses case. These are my glasses. And those just fit perfectly right back in here. And then in the middle section, I have my wallet. This is my cute pink Prada wallet. So yeah, that goes back in the middle. And then on the other side, I have my Beats headphones. So yeah, I just have these. They're actually magnetic, so that's cool. And then at the back here, I just have my Ted Baker coin purse. This is what it looks like. Some coins in there. And then there's also room for cards at the back. I love this. It's so cute. I got it at the Nordstrom Rack outlet store. So yep, that fits perfectly in the back of the insert. And then in this very front pocket here, we have my iPhone charger. This actually has my name on it. I got this custom sticker made with marble and then my name, just so, you know, when you go to a party and someone steals your charger, it's like, I know, that's my charger. I literally have this sticker on all my chargers. I just really like to be super organized, and that just helps me know where my particular charger is. I would say the most fun part of this what's in my bag video will be this Kate Spade makeup bag. So this is what it looks like. This just has all my essentials in it. It's just so easy to have them in one little grab and go spot, and without having like so much stuff without your purse, it's just so easy to find everything that you're looking for. So first off, I have this dry bar hairbrush. Don't mind if you can see any hair in there. Yep, this is for obvious reasons, just to brush out your hair throughout the day. And then in the back here, I just have a pack of gum. I then have a mini Laura Mercier translucent powder for any touch-ups or shine throughout the day. I also keep Tylenol because you never know when cramps or headache will creep up, so it's always good to be prepared. And then I have the Kopari Lip Glossy. This is so shiny and it smells so delicious. Definitely a great essential of mine. And then another essential lip product I have is the Agave Lip Balm. This smells so delicious. I absolutely love this product. It's so moisturizing. And then this is actually a portable brush for my translucent powder. I'll show you how this works. You just twist it up and then you have a full-on brush on the go. So that is perfect. And just so it doesn't like stain your bag or makeup bag either, just tucks right away. I love this. This is just the Sephora brand. And you just place the lid back on and it's no mess. And lastly, in the makeup bag, I just have 2 extra hair ties just in case. You never know when you're gonna wanna pull your hair back, or if you need them for the gym or anything like that. And that is that for the makeup bag essentials. And yep, there is just a last overview of that. It all fits perfectly. These are just everyday essentials that I definitely can't live without and I love to keep in my bag at all times. The Samorga insert just really keeps everything clutter free, and then I just keep it in this makeup bag, so it's really all so organized and easy to reach. Yeah, like if you look into this bag again, it really is just a complete bottomless pit. I can't imagine just like throwing things in there. I feel like I would never be able to find anything. Yeah, so this is just another overview of what the Samorga insert will look like when it's all organized. Minus the laptop, it's just so heavy to carry and show you, but I have inserted a clip previous, but yes, the laptop fits perfectly in here, and I will link down below the exact Samorga insert that I chose. So this one I think is around $73 US plus shipping, and please note that it takes a month to ship. These are custom. You get to like choose the felt color and all that kind of thing. They're made to order most of the time, I'm pretty sure. So that's why it takes so long for them to ship, but honestly, well worth it. If you're spending that kind of money on a bag, you want to make sure the bag is well protected. They do have much cheaper options on Amazon if you're looking for that. They're like around 25 Canadian or like 18 US dollars, I believe. So I'll leave 2 Amazon dupes for a Samorga insert down below. Just different brands, very similar. There really isn't too much of a difference. I just saw a lot of YouTubers talking about the Samorga one, so I definitely wanted to check it out for myself, but I'm sure the Amazon ones will do just the same job. So yeah, because this bag is such a beautiful pink color, I just thought it was best that I bought a bag organizer. It just made sense. I don't want to ruin this beautiful color and stain it with all of my things. So yeah, that's why I decided to go ahead and get one of the bag organizers. So this is completely what the Samorga insert looks like when it is inside of my bag. I got the laptop at the back, glasses, wallet, earphones, essentials, makeup bag, the charger, and then my Ted Baker coin purse at the back. And that is everything that I keep in my bag. In regards to an overall review for this bag, I just got it in October, I believe, and I am absolutely obsessed with it. As I said, I use it every single day for work. It's so functional, and the insert really adds to that functionality. I chose the MM size. It just makes most sense for my life. There is a smaller one, there's the MM one that I have, and then there's a GM. The GM would probably serve better as something like a diaper bag where you need like a ton of essentials, but this is the perfect medium. I have no complaints about the bag. There's been no signs of wear or tear. It really does still look amazing and brand new, and I would definitely recommend this bag to everyone. It's definitely like basic, and a lot of people do choose this as their first Louis Vuitton bag or choose to have it in their collection in general. It's just classic. Yeah, so I truly have no complaints about this bag, and I really would recommend it to anyone. So here is just one last look on how this looks inside. It really does fit perfectly, and I'm super happy with the bag and super happy with the insert. I will link this all down below so you guys can check it out if you are interested. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Even if you aren't interested in any Louis Vuitton bags, Samorga as well as Amazon makes amazing inserts for all kinds of bags. You can just search the name or just by dimensions really, and yeah, you can find great inserts for any bag that you desire. Thank you guys so much for watching my what's in my bag / Neverfull review. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.